Hello guys, welcome to a new video. And today, as you can see from the title, we're gonna talk about SoFi, right? And this is, I feel, it's a good opportunity. And a lot of people don't think about this. They think about it as still as a startup company, and they think this is a risky stock, and they stay away from it, right? So, but I'm gonna discuss all about it. I look at in both sides. I look at all the fundamentals. I look at all the opportunities around this and see, and by the end of this video, you will know whether you should invest in this stock. So with all that, let's start. Hello guys, welcome to AD Finance, and today we're gonna talk about SoFi, right? So I have prepared all the details, and let me just quickly share that so we can go over all the things along with obviously the option strategies, right? So this is a very good time if you are interested in options and you are looking for the stock. This may be the perfect stock for you. So let's start. Okay, so SoFi, right? The first thing first, right? What is SoFi today? So a lot of people still think about SoFi as a kind of a student loan company. That's how they were promoting when they initially started. However, they have come a long way, right? Now they have in banking, lending, investing, credit cards, a lot of things they are doing, and that makes SoFi a good contender like Robinhood, right? They initially started with only the app with a few tickers, and look at them now, right? They are everywhere. They are in banking, investing. They recently did into the venture. If you have not watched that video, then definitely you can go and check that out. Now coming to the financials, right? So if you look at the financials, they did almost 3.58 billion for the full total year, right? And that is a very good number. They're not a small company by any means, right? And the Q4 was around 1 billion, and look at the year to year, right? So they're kind of doing pretty good in terms of the revenue numbers. And look at the chart, right? So they are the revenue growth, if you look at, almost like a very nice curve that you're gonna see here, right? Their lending business is doing good, their financial services, their tech platform, and they have a pretty good, if you have not used, they're pretty good on the tech side. They're pretty good app and pretty good website experience that you can imagine from a cutting edge digital, like other banking systems, right? Now in terms of the opportunity, right? So right now, in last at least couple of weeks time, if you look at their chart, they are kind of pulling back. So this could be a very good opportunity. Now they are, in terms of the overall, if you expand it and see, right, they are kind of in a very good time that you could see that they're hitting almost the bottom here, right? So this could be a very good opportunity if you want to get into some of the option strategies that I'm going to discuss next. So in my view, you are getting a good discounted price on this, and a good time. If you have not yet into it, this could be a good time to get into SoFi. So now my plan, right? So in my view, because my channel is mostly about options, and in options also I mostly do the option selling, which is the safer side of it, right? If you have not done or new to option selling, then definitely I would ask you to watch my other videos. There are a lot of videos in my channel. Do subscribe to my channel. There are a lot of things. I'm not going to go in detail in each of these strategies, but I'm definitely gonna cover the basics. So even if you have, like, you are completely new, uh, that then also you're gonna get some idea about how to go about it, right? So with that, let's tackle one by one. So the first one, right, the stochastic output, that's the easiest one you can get into it. So for this one, what you do is you just do sell one put contract in SoFi, this below strike price. So right now it's kind of doing around like 18 $19 range. So you choose the strike price as the $17. You're gonna collect premium for that, right? Remember, cash secured put is something that you are basically buying a stock for cheaper. So you're doing a $17 put and you collect the $55 premium, right? So that's your gonna be the max profit. Your break even is this. This is all based on the $17 strike price, remember. So if you keep doing this, right, if you do keep doing this, your annual return Let me just move it. So your annual return is gonna be almost 18 to 22%. Obviously, it's not easy to recreate that. So, but even then, if you look at the 18 to 20%, right, that's huge. That's a huge amount that it's hard to do in any other strategies. Next one is the covered call, right? So covered call again, it's a pretty nice strategy. It's the opposite of the cash secured put. Here, how it works. If you already own, you have to buy 100 shares of SoFi. That's the first thing. You buy 100 shares of SoFi and then you sell call above your whatever the buying price you have. Let's say if your average price was something around 19, then what you do is you basically uh, select strike price as 22 for your covered call. You collect something about 45 to $60 premium, and then your capital that's used, whatever you paid to buy the stock, right? That's your capital. And in this case, again, these numbers are kind of will vary depending on what's your entry price and what's premium that you're getting. Those things vary every minute of the day. So, but in general sense, they give overall, if you can keep repeating that and keep getting that much premium, this is gonna be a huge overall your return on capital. Overall percentage wise, that's a huge. So covered call, cash secured put, right? Those two are the basic strategies. And with SoFi, right, it's the good thing is the capital requirement is pretty low here, right? So your entry on this with a very much less risk, you can enter into this and then play out, right? So that's those are the two, cash secured put and covered call. Now the other one is the poor man covered call, right? So this one I won't go in too detail because this is gonna be a bit advanced strategies. But again, this is just keep this in mind that poor man covered call. If covered call takes like a $2,000 as an investment, right? In here, your investment would be much less. In here, you basically buy a leap and then you sell covered call against that. So there is a detailed video. I'm gonna link here or put down in the description. Do watch that because this is a very good strategies for a small account. If you have a small account, then if you want to start even smaller than those $2,000, then this could be the strategy that you are looking for. Again, as I said, not for very beginner friendly, but it's still a safe strategy if you take care of few things that I talked about my other video. So do keep this in mind. Now, combining this, right, this is the wheel strategy. So it's a very famous strategy among option sellers. This basically combines the two that I talked, right? One is the cash secured put. You sell the cash secured put. If you get assigned, you start, you own, you have to buy your shares and then you start selling covered call, right? So that's the wheel that goes on. And as long as that wheel goes on, you keep collecting that premium, right? Again, there is a very good video. I'm gonna link it down in the description or here. Do watch that. This is the bread and butter for a lot of option sellers, right? So very good strategies in terms of again the capital requirement. Because it is SoFi, you get a chance to get into it for much less capital. Okay, the last thing is about what is going for SoFi versus what are the risks, right? So what is going for SoFi? The first thing is they're a very prime candidate to get included in S&P 500, and if that happens, your investment is gonna be multifold. Okay, and as I showed, right, the revenue they're keep making bigger and bigger numbers in terms of revenue, so they are no smaller company or not. Don't think them as just a student loan company, right? So that's the bull case. A lot of the good analysts, right, they have raised the price target on this one, and the recent pullback that we see is a very prime opportunity. Now on the risk side, I feel the biggest risk will be, I've just listed everything here, but the biggest one is I see is the policy changes, right? You know, the financial market, the Fed policies affects these stocks a lot. So that's a risk that how the Fed behaves. However, looking at their financials and the numbers, the revenue numbers, they are a pretty solid company, and I think they can withstand see variations that we do see from the Fed, right? So a very solid company, a very good opportunity to get into it. And with the combining that with the option strategies, it's gonna be a good chance for you to get it. Do check out, guys. Do your due diligence. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to the channel, and there are a lot of options related videos, so I'm sure you're gonna benefit of that. So that was it, guys, for this video. I hope you liked the content. If you got any value out of it, do like the video, do share, do subscribe, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.